After months of discreetly getting ready for this new chapter away from the public, Disney star Debbie Ryan and her husband, musician Josh Dun, have just welcomed their first child, a baby girl named Felix Winter Dunn. Fans around the world are celebrating this moment, and insiders are sharing the inside story of their private journey into parenthood. People close to the pair claim that Debbie Ryan's official parenthood has altered her life in ways she had never previously discussed in public. According to sources, Debbie actively participated in all her decisions pertaining to her prenatal period and delivery. Instead of being spectacular or public, she wanted the event to feel intimate, serene, and emotionally secure. Debbie continued to prioritize her mental well being, her health, and providing a secure environment for her unborn child throughout her prenatal period. She spent a lot of time at home, reading, writing, and mentally preparing herself for motherhood, according to people close to her. Debbie had Josh Dun by her side the entire way. According to insiders, he was incredibly watchful and protective, making sure Debbie felt both physically and emotionally supported. To be completely present during the last few weeks of pregnancy, he reportedly made every effort to clear his schedule. According to friends, Josh took his responsibilities seriously, keeping an eye on Debbie's well being and participating in every little detail. It was described as a calm, emotional, and intensely bonding moment when the baby came. Debbie and Josh made the decision to live in the present rather than immediately making a public statement. For the first few hours, they just held their infant, whispered to each other, and took in the reality of parenthood. Insiders claim that when Debbie held her daughter for the first time, she was overwhelmed in the best possible way, emotional yet calm. Debbie has readily embraced parenting according to those close to the pair. She has been very hands on, learning and adapting patiently rather than under constraint. Josh has also been actively participating, sharing the workload without reluctance, and accepting responsibility. Their relationship, which has always been light-hearted and encouraging, is said to have become even closer since the kid was born. In order to shield their child from early public exposure, the couple has purposefully kept the majority of data private, including daily activities and private moments. But according to those who know the situation, Josh and Debbie are both very content and grounded. Insiders claim that being parents feel more like something they were emotionally prepared for than something they were forced into. Fans who saw Debbie Ryan grow up on film will see this as a subtle yet significant development. Those close to her say parenting fits her in a way that feels sincere and incredibly gratifying. She has transitioned from childhood fame into a life characterized by intention, stability, and love. Thanks for watching CNET News. Stay tuned for more updates and stories from around the world. See you next time.